Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Ryu. Today, I have to wear a sock on my arm. It's not really a sock, it's an arm guard, but I'm supposed to keep my tattoo out of the sun, and I haven't been doing that very good, so I'm trying to be good and put a sock on it, you know what I'm saying? Just, gotta make my tattooers happy. Anyways, ignore the sock arm. Today, we're going to be taking the lip off the front bumper here and giving it a nice coating of the satin black chip guard. My auto body guy Jake recommended I use something like this. He used it on his car. It held up really well and it looks fantastic. The problem is mine's just the factory plastic that it's had for all this time, and it looks kind of faded and shitty no matter how many times I cover it with the plastic restore. So it's time to just bite the bullet and spray it. They don't make new ones anymore as far as I could find, so if I fuck it up, that's it, that's all there is. So wish me luck, hope I don't fuck it up. It's kind of just tapped in place, so let's hope I don't ruin any screws. You can't really tell I'm in the shade right now, but believe me that it looks really worn out, especially when it's not freshly washed. So we're just gonna peel this off and coat it. I should be wearing eye protection. There's all kinds of shit falling in my eyes. Ew. Yonk. How gross it is under there. All right, that looks like all the screws. I was hoping they'd make a jingly noise, but forgot they were in a metallic magnetic bowl. All right, and we've got an old yinky yonky lip. Gotta clean this up and then spray it and put it back on. I'm also gonna clean the underside where the lip touches the body of the car, just to, we're already here, you might as well clean it up. So here I've got some simple green, and I'm just gonna start cleaning this up and making it a better surface for the chip guard to actually adhere to. Lots of dirt that's been stuck underneath the lip for a long time. So I'm cleaning out the dirt from the top of the lip where the body touches it, but the primary stuff that we're supposed to be cleaning is the stuff that you're going to be spraying on the front, since we won't really be spraying the underside. But you're already here, so you're giving it a good wash over all of it. a freshly cleaned bumper lip. Ignore the fact that it's all hacked up. Don't ask questions. All right. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this on camera, but this is something I'm not excited to see. This is a crack that's going from about the midway point of the lip and down, so clearly I've scraped somewhere. I'm gonna try and use some JB Weld from the underside to try and put this back to one solid piece before I spray it with the chip guard, and then hopefully I won't have that problem again, since again, I don't think I can just buy one of these anymore. We've got our JB Weld here. I'm just using some soapy water to get rid of the junk under my car that you don't really want to be pinning back under there. Coats, 10 minutes between coats, top coat time 2 to 4 hours. So I kind of have to figure out how far 2 feet are. I think I shook it for a full minute. I've never used this can yet, so it's a fresh tip. All right, it works. So now that my first coat's dry, I'm gonna throw on a second coat. We're gonna do a third coat and then some kind of clear coat. I probably have a clear coat downstairs. All right, now that I've waited for this chip guard to dry, it's no longer tacky to the touch. I'm not gonna cover it in a clear coat. We're just gonna run it as is, screw this thing back on and call it a fucking day. Good enough. All right, after all that, we got the lip on. It's looking pretty good, looking fresh. Covered up that crack some. Hopefully it holds in there for a while, that'd be great. But yeah, I mean, everything's all set. It's getting dark out, so we're gonna call it a day and work on more projects later. Thanks for hanging out. I've been your host, Ryu. Drop a comment or a like or a something to let me know you're alive out there. That'd be pretty sweet. Thanks.